Where did you learn trade management? Do you have any idea? And do you know, you tell that we are the starting and the beginning, commerce is starting and the beginning. Do you know what is the foundation? Please, anyone can answer. See, you learn trade and management to bio, to science. See, plants give us oxygen, we give carbon dioxide. That's trade. That is trading. That is trading. Without science, you can't even breathe. Whatever you need the foundation as science. I know that commerce, you told commerce plays a major role, but what is the foundation? What is foundation? There is no floor, there is nothing without the foundation. Foundation is established by science. Of the people. By science, foundation is established. You learn all management, trading things, everything from science. Just as I give you an example. Even the management thing in your body, the organs they work. The head manages all the other parts of the organ, all the other parts of the body. So, management. You learn management from science.
Management is learned from commerce.
You were telling about means oxygen, it was just discovered by science. It's all part of nature. So you can't claim it as science or commerce. It's all part of nature. Nature is the study of science is the nature of study. Science is the nature study of nature. Can you just excuse me? Science is the study of nature.
Masha Tarun told that random people won't buy the product. I'm very sure in commerce there's a service called door-to-door service and people do buy products. Random people do buy products.
Please check the ratio. When an engineer goes and tells that this product is like explain about the product and when
I'm very sure that you don't mention that ratio of the product. You just know that random people won't buy product. And my doubt is, there's a service called door-to-door service where random people are included and people do buy products over there.
Okay, there's a drawback in this door-to-door service. What if anyone who is not certified comes to your door and tries to sell this product? There have been crimes under this very sector as well.
Stuti, I would like to answer this. There are negative points in everything. We just can't see the negative. That's what we are discussing. We just have to see the positive things also.
it doesn't depend on commerce.
You got only the negatives now, so we have the right to bring up the negatives in you.
Yeah, I have a question for the commerce people. You guys are telling all the destruction and wars are caused due to science. But whatever's happening in the Middle East, you guys are commercializing petrol as a very good product and everything.
First of all,
wait, let me finish. Sorry. So, you guys are commercializing and telling everyone. And then, in the Middle East, the wars which are caused is because you guys are telling petrol is increasing the economics, the financial sector of the other countries. And so that's why the war is caused, because you guys are spreading it around. And then when there's a terrorist attack, you, the media, show pictures to everyone, even the terrorists included. So you're helping the terrorists too. So how is that helping humankind?
I'd like to conclude this by saying that the commerce people are looting natural resources. It is actually spreading awareness to the people.
Good afternoon everybody, my name is Shivam Agarwala. Always supporting commerce. I have 3 statements to make for the science people. First statement, you invent things. For inventing things, you need the materials. The materials are bought, and for buying you need finance. The finance is commerce. The second point, whenever you invent things, you need finance for that. You won't just simply get materials from under the earth and you will start producing, right? You need finance to buy. The third statement, commerce is like accountancy. It's a big umbrella, and science is just like bookkeeping, a small part of it. Thank you.
Excuse me, my name is
Okay, Shivam said that we need commerce to provide us materials. So was fire discovered because the commerce people provided us materials?
Where do you get the material from?
It was produced naturally, such as the discovery of wheel. That was also natural. Commerce people didn't come and give us materials to make wheel.
So it was a human being who discovered fire and wheel. It was not
fire is that is the discovery. That is the discovery of science. Fire is also the discovery of science. That's what is the topic.
Discovery, how inventions you can take it as science, but not discoveries. Discoveries.
That is also science. That is also science. And if the beam was discovered, how would we know?
The fire was discovered, not invented. The science people, yeah.
My name is Mayank. I want to ask a question from Shivam. Like, you buy the products for money, right? And how is money created? Because of science, right? Money is actually a fiber. And how do you take that? Because of scientific method that is like creation of money. How is credit? You can buy some credit also. Credit as a system. So credit was created by commerce, but how do you manage it? Why a word? A computer will work with person.
Okay, good afternoon everybody. My question to the science people. Now you have planned to come here, you planned your points, you are executing it, you organized everything and you are trying to execute it. All these are principles of management.
One thing, we haven't learned commerce. So all those are talents within the human being. That's how we would do it.
So that is what we are telling. Commerce is like common sense. Even a common man can implement commerce, but not a science person. And it is inherent in the blood. Okay? Now listen. One more point.
I don't believe they're educated at all. How do they know how to use manure? How do they know how to use water?
See, one thing I tell you. Even your mom at home, or anybody, like from the time the child is born in a house or whatever it is, you don't throw your shoes. As soon as you go, you leave the shoes in its place. That is organizing yourself. Okay? You eat food in a proper way. That is again managing yourself. It is again a skill of management. You should know how to maintain yourself. Even at home, your mother need not be so very educated. You're planning, everything happens there. Money is given. Even an illiterate person knows how to spend where, how much. So it is pure common sense. Okay, so even a common man can use it. So we don't need any degree to maintain ourselves or manage ourselves.
If you're telling that it's all built in us, we already know it, then why are you studying it? Why are you teaching it to the students?
I have a question. Is this your talent to create narcotics? Liquor, tobacco, cigarettes?
I want to create. According to you, supply creates its own demand.
She told that you are telling the demand. Then you are helping us make narcotics and you know what is demand?
Yeah, I have a point to say to Srivastava. He's talking about narcotics, right? But actually the tranquilizers are important for us. You know the animals, stray animals, the elephant and all, we actually, we use tranquilizers, we use morphine also. No, really, it's not a one more point. Just one point. See, when you are a baby, when you are in first standard, you are not studying commerce, but you are studying science.
And narcotics have their own usage. They use in surgery and stuff like that.
No, conclusion to this point. See, scientist is always good. A scientist is always good. But when commerce comes into the brain, he becomes very dangerous. He tries to finish problem.
Okay, instead of creating the tranquilizers and the drugs, instead of creating the tranquilizers on this, you have created what? The real drugs, the poison drugs.
Excuse me, sir. Sir,